everyone. This is Mark with MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com bringing you a tropical update for today, July 19th, 2011. We are now talking about Typhoon Mayon, which has been dropped down to a tropical storm. And of course, we also have Tropical Storm Dora and Bret in the Eastern Pacific and the Northern Atlantic, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Right now, the Tropical Storm Mayon, this is warning number 33 from the JTWC for 1500 GMT. I'm going to post some information on the top right hand side of your screen so you can see the warnings. There are new warnings now for tropical storm warnings in the red and advisories in the yellow. So you can see a lot of Japan has been covered with this red. Now as we see the storm continue to move northeast at 10 knots or 50 degrees northeast at 10 knots, the position is 33.3 degrees north, 134.2 degrees east. Location about 300 miles west-southwest of Yokosuka, Japan. And I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. Again, that's Yokosuka, Japan. And the information stating from the JTWC states that the storm weakened further in the process of recurving east. However, the storm is beginning to be subjected to adverse atmospheric condition as it brushes south of the coast of Japan. Mayon will veer southeast for a few days and re-strengthen a little before it continues to move on out. So we'll continue to watch this storm system. The Japanese meteorological agencies continue to post these warnings, and I'll also post them as well on a daily basis until the storm is out of the Japan area. So for those of you who are watching, continue to watch. Every day I'll continue to make an update as long as the storm continues to move on into Japan. Alright, as we are going to head into the Eastern Pacific, we're going to talk about a new storm that is formed in the Eastern Pacific here called Tropical Storm Dora. Now I'm going to go and bring the information directly from the National Hurricane Center. On the top right hand side of the screen, of course, you'll see the path of our storm, and it shows, of course, that the path of the storm may be taking it towards the Gulf of California, and of course you have your cone of uncertainty when it gets there. But as of right now, the information does show that this storm has a potential of becoming a major hurricane. Now, even though there is no threat to any landfall, we may have to watch coastal areas in Mexico just to be safe, on the safe side, because of course by around Wednesday or Thursday, if the storm becomes a major hurricane, we'll have to watch those areas. Of course, with any waves that continue to go to that location may be strong, and of course we'll keep you updated on that. So now again, we have some models that are taking it really close to the Gulf of California. We'll watch that real closely with you guys and continue to keep you updated, but most models are taking it straight out into the water, which may have no effect on any landfall at this time. So again, that's Tropical Storm Dora. Tropical Storm Dora states that this is advisory number 5. Max winds are at 70 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure is 94 and dropping. Location 11.9 degrees north, 97.1 degrees west. Movement west-northwest at 13 knots or 15 miles per hour. So again, guys, we're watching this storm as it could become a major hurricane. We'll continue to keep you posted. We have Tropical Storm Bret, which continues to move on out with no effect on any landfall at this time. So again, folks, please stay tuned to MrHurricaneTracker.webs.com for the latest information on all of these storms, and also on YouTube.com. And thank you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and it's been great with 1,000 and I think now 1,080 subscribers. Again, thank you all. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful day.